I have a Hohner Student 4M accordion. It's in a gray slate color. It has 25 keys in the treble with 32 bass buttons. There are 2 reeds in the treble, 2 middle reeds with 3 switches on the treble side. One of those switches is the dupe, so you actually have 2 sounds on the treble side. This is the clarinet. And this is the musette. On the bass, it sounds like this. So on the bass, you have your bass major, minor, 7. This is a nice, lightweight, compact. It could be an intermediate level accordion, somebody upgrading from a 12 bass. It has a nice musette, so if you like German or French music, this would be nice to play that kind of music on here. I'll play something so you can hear what it sounds like.